So at our boat yard they are crushing hurricane boats, and we got permission to pull some things off of this boat before they crush it. So we're kind of excited about some of the things that we found. We don't know if these will work or not, but this works. There's a table, adjustable table mount. In here is a hat right here. There's a manual bilge pump, and ours is broken.
Aha.
Now let's see if we can get that one.
I don't know if they're strong enough for our boat, but hey, it gives us something to start with. This one, I don't know if that one's going to come or not.
Well, if you destroy it while you're getting it off.
How's that? I just destroyed it getting it off.
This right here.
Yeah, I gotta cut that off with a jigsaw.
Oh, the inside of this boat is sad, sad, sad.
Give me that grinder.
Salvage yards and boat yards can be an interesting place to explore and see if you can find pieces that you're missing for your boat.
Pair of pliers.
I don't know if we have a pair of pliers. Those will work.
Those will work. Nice if I could see what I'm doing. High humidity, mask, glasses, doesn't work.
Well, we're not sure what will work for our boat. We figured we'd take anything that we think we might be able to use and pass along what we can't. It's hard to see the dashed dreams and destroyed boats that lay in this yard waiting to be crushed. We're grateful that we were given the opportunity to get a few pieces off of this boat that might help us as we refit our boat and move on with our dreams. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Come have a conversation with us on all of our social media links listed below, and we will talk to you next week.